Here we are in the WEBRIS project management tracker. This is a kind of trimmed down version of the full template suite that includes project management tracking, also content management and outreach management tracking for kind of your content calendar and all of your link building campaigns. But this free version is just the project management tracker itself. And basically what it allows you to do is enter, and all these instructions are on the Getting Started tab, but it allows you to enter your clients, your team, all of the writers on your team, and basically manage all of your tasks. So log all of your tasks here, and your individual deliverables and the actions your client has to take. So this kind of trimmed down project management tracker is basically, think of it like Trello in a Google Sheet for all of the tasks that you need to execute for SEO campaigns. So let's walk through the actual setup and how this works and how you can use it. So like I said, all of these instructions are on the Getting Started tab here. The first thing you'll need to do, and I'll just enter my company name, Coding is for Losers, and my email. Second thing you can do is add your clients. Really add your clients, your team members, or any new writers. We'll just walk through one version of this. And again, if you want there's links to get the fully automated version, which includes all the other templates and a bunch more kind of automations. There's links at the top of each of these tabs. So first thing, if we want to add a client, I guess for a setup, you just click install here. What this does is it logs just the folder that your project management tracker is in and marks that as your folder. Next, we can add a client. We don't need to fill all these out, but you'll enter the domain, the homepage, kind of start date, end date, point of contact. This is just for your own reference later on, but we'll just add that, and you'll see it adds the new row here. If we had filled out those other form fields, they would be here. And what this does is it populates all the drop-down menus in the sheet. So if we want to add a task here, we now have our client here that is in the drop-down menu. So cool. And same thing for adding a team member. We'll just say David. The rest of this information is just for your own benefit. And once I'm in there, you can see I populate the drop-down menu. So you can populate your owners, your projects. If you want to actually change the deliverables, you can go to the settings tab. Has all the green columns here of all of your deliverable options. Same with project buckets and statuses. Probably won't need to touch those, but you might want to change your deliverables. So we'll just hide that. You shouldn't really need to use the settings tab much. Cool. So the basic functions here are adding clients, team members, writers, same deal. You can also store logins here if you like. And kind of the fundamental action here is, just basic task management. So we add a date, who the internal owner for the project is, what client it's for, what the task is called, and links to any docs that you need for it. And the basic action on this task tab is once a task is done, or ready for review rather, so it's like drafted, and you mark it as review needed, there's an automation here that will add it to the deliverables tab. So once a task is ready for review and delivery to the client, you set it to review needed, and it'll copy the entire row over, including your links to docs, so that this deliverables tab, if you want to review everything that's ready to send to the client, it'll be right here. And then lastly, actions. This is just for logging actions that you need the client to actually take. So kind of a secondary thing. But that's the basic gist of this project management tracker. So it basically is like Trello in a Google Sheet. It allows you to log all of your tasks and deliverables, manage kind of your validations for who are your clients, what are their names, what are your team names, and all that good stuff. And at any time, if you are enjoying this free version and want to get the kind of full template suite, That includes, kind of content task management and your content calendar management, as well as link building, outreach management. You can click on the links at the top of any of these tabs and easily move over all of the data that you've set up here into the full suite. So hope you enjoy it. Take care.